In this video, we're looking at the Airfix 1600 HMS Amazon, a Type 21 frigate. A lot of them were involved in the Falklands War, and so there's quite a bit of interest in this model still. Now, it's no longer available new, so you'll have to try and pick one up in an online auction. This picture and the list that follows shows that most of the major changes that you've got to make to this model. The basic model goes together quite nicely, and here you can see some photo etch added to the foremast and also an extra small radar antenna. There's a few things of note in this picture. Firstly, it's important to get the bridge windows looking really neat, and I've also attached small housings for the wipers above each pane. There is a joint between the two forward portholes where the deck level changes. Take care to fill this and then sand it smooth so that it's not noticeable. The Exocet launchers were created around the items that come with the 1600 Leander kit, so add a bit of detail and they look quite good. The white cabinets amidships that you can see here are the inlets for the gas turbine engines, and they need to be added. Airfix have done 4 different versions of the Seacat launcher, and none of them are very good. The one on the left is one that I've modified, or you can always get a 3D printed version. Here we can see the detail added to the superstructure prior to painting. The pennant number decal provided with the kit was far too large, so I tried making a homemade number. It's not my best work, but at least it's the right size. The following shots show the model progressing to completion. And here's how the completed model appears. It turned out to be a very nice little model, so if you can get a hold of a kit, it's well worthwhile. Hope you enjoyed this build, and if you'd like to see more 1 to 600 models, then check out the rest of my videos.